Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? This is Dalton. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. I want to check and show y'all a little something I'm doing for this Labor Day. Check that out. Sweet. So you can see that. Yeah. I already made sure my board's clean. Do a little of this. Take it out. Yeah. We're gonna do some old school tenderizing. We're gonna use that fork instead of all the fancy utensils you see these days. Gonna take a little oil. Rub that baby down like that. Yeah, she likes that. Edit. Gotta edit that part out. Rub it like that. Yeah, that's a meat tenderizer. I like using meat tenderizer that actually has no seasoning. Got a little garlic. Try that. And last but not least, Old Faithful. This stuff makes just about anything taste decent. So if you're a bachelor, bachelorette, pick yourself some of this up. The seasoning makes just about everything taste decent. And then we're gonna do a little old school tenderizing part. That's right. Get in there. Tenderize the meat. Make sure seasoning gets in there deep. Flip it over. And do the same thing on this side that you did on the other. Rub that down. Show a little tender love and care. Put that on the side. Do tenderizer, just like we did the last one. Garlic. Okay. Almost out. Then go over this. Don't go too crazy on the seasoned salt. And if you don't supposed to eat salt, get an imitation seasoning. Get a seasoning without the salt. Okay. I think there's stuff called Dash. They don't have salt, but it has really good seasoning. Okay. Now I'm preheating my oven to 375 degrees. Taking this baby off. See, I already created that little thing. Put aluminum foil on top of it. Put that in the oven. Get this set of dishwasher over here. Last but not least, I have this pan. Show you what I'm using that for. Shrimp. That's right. right, baby. There's 1,001 ways you can make shrimp. Bought this shrimp on sale at Shop and Save. Great deal. Great deal. Cook a little seasoning salt. Same type. There's 1,001 ways you can cook shrimp. This is quick, fast, and nasty. Like this, sheet that up real good. Take this, put it in the oven so that you can cook when my steak is cooking, and they'll be done around the same time. And I will show you a picture of what it looks like when it's done. Talk to y'all later. You can subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, and share this. Peace out.